Okay, so for this video, I'm going to teach you how to deliver this textbook, which is the Speaking Training Part 2, Lesson 1. So last time, kung napanood nyo yung last video na ginawa ko, that's for Speaking Training Part 1. Okay, so dito, Part 2 naman tayo. And upon checking, magkaiba siya ng style. So let's find out. Okay, so of course, don't forget to deliver your greetings, audio video check, short self-introduction, speaking speed. And after that, mag-start ka na dito sa script mo. Okay, so let's start the lesson. You chose Speaking Training Part 2, Lesson 1. Is that correct? Wait for the answer of the student. Pag sinabi ni student na yes, teacher, tsaka ka mag-move on dito. Okay, so let's move on to picture 1 and please check the directions. So where is picture 1? Ito siya. And then sabi mo, please check the direction. So give at least 5 seconds to your student. Pause ka ng 5 seconds before you continue. Okay? Pag sinabi ni student na I'm done, and then that's the time na pwede ka nang mag-proceed. Okay? Let's say sinabi niyang I'm done. Okay, so please look at picture 1. Please look at the picture. So I will play the audio of the question. Please listen carefully. So habang nakatingin sa picture yung student mo, i-play mo na tong audio.
Mad? Why is this man mad?
Okay, so sa pagkakarinig nyo, ito yung sinabi ng audio. Okay? So ngayon, pagkarinig ni student ng audio, pwede mo siyang, or pwede mo tong sabihin sa kanya. If you find it difficult to answer, you may check the clue box. So, syempre, makikita ni student yung clue box dun sa end niya. And meron din naman dito sa end natin. Okay? Ayan. So, can you see the button? Itatanong mo muna yan kay student. Pero, mostly, kung alam na ni student itong ganitong textbook, alam na nila kung ano yung gagawin. Okay? So, ngayon, sasabihin mo, pag sinabi ni student na yes, teacher, okay, so please tap the button before and after answering. Please answer it within 15 seconds. Please answer whenever you are ready. So ngayon, hihintayin mo na lang na sumagot si student. Pag sumagot na si student, yung audio file, lalabas yun sa chat box. Okay? So pag lumabas na siya sa chat box, i-check mo doon kung meron kang dapat i-improve. Or kung meron dapat i-improve si student. Okay? And then, pwede mo tong basahin sa kanya. So, great. Let's listen to your answer to see if there are parts where you can improve. I'll play the audio now. Ipe-play mo ngayon yung sagot niya, yung audio niya. Okay? Pagka-play mo nun, at kung meron kang kailangan i-improve, improve mo. Okay? Kung meron mga grammar lapses, i-correct mo yan. Okay? So, ngayon, pag na-correct mo na kay student, syempre, you already know how to correct your student since you're already a teacher. Okay? So, pagka-correct mo, so now let's try to make a better sentence. I will type the whole sentence into the chat box. So, itatype mo sa chat box yung buong sentence, yung tamang sentence. Okay? And then after that, pag na-type mo na, now let's read the whole sentences again. Please repeat after me twice. So, syempre, alam na yung gagawin. Babasahin mo yung sentences na nilagay mo sa chat box. Ipapa-repeat mo kay student twice. Okay? So, pagka-repeat mo, do you have any words that you want to practice more? Or do you have any questions so far? Tatanungin mo yan kay student. Okay? Pag sinabi ni student na non-teacher, I'm all good. So, this time, let's answer the question again. I will play the audio of the question. Please listen carefully. Ngayon, dapat ang magiging sagot niya dito ay yung tamang sentence na. Okay? So, ipa-play mo ulit yung audio.
Why is this man mad?
Okay. Pagka-play mo, sasabihin mo kay student, Please answer whenever you are ready. So, hihintayin mo na lang ulit na sumagot or lumabas sa chat box yung audio ni student. Okay? After that, you have improved this time. So, let's listen to your answer. I'll play the audio now. Ipe-play mo ulit yung audio na ni-record niya. Okay? So, after that, kung wala naman nang i-improve, so i-skip mo na to. Kung meron, iko-correct mo ulit. Okay? So, kung wala ka naman kailangan i-remade dun sa sentence niya, i-skip mo na rin to. Okay? So, ganun lang. Paulit-ulit lang siya hanggang sa tumama na yung sentence or yung sagot ni student. Okay? So, ganun lang. After that, pupunta na kayo ng picture 2. So, yung flow ng picture 2 ay same lang din naman ng flow nung picture 1. Okay? So, very simple and very short lang naman siya. Okay? So, yun lang. Thank you so much.